IELTS speaking. Tips. Same question, different band scores. What helps you concentrate better? Band 5 answer.
I can concentrate better when it is quiet. Noise makes me lose focus. I sometimes listen to soft music, but mostly I need silence.
Why is this a band 5? Simple ideas and vocabulary, limited development, and range of grammar. Clear but short answer with few connectors. 7.5 answer.
I usually concentrate better in a calm and tidy environment. If my desk is cluttered or there's background noise, my mind tends to wander. Sometimes, instrumental music also helps me stay focused for longer periods.
Why is this a band 7.5? Good lexical range, cluttered, background noise, stay focused. Clear organization, some complexity in grammar and ideas. Band 9 answer.
What really helps me concentrate is creating a distraction-free space and following a routine. For instance, I silence my phone, keep my workspace minimal, and listen to low-volume ambient sounds. It's not just about the environment. It's also about training my mind to stay present.
This is a band 9. Fully developed, natural, and fluent response. Wide vocabulary, distraction-free, ambient sounds, training my mind, strong cohesion and depth of thought. Now it's your turn. How would you answer this question? Drop your answer in the comments, and I'll let you know if it sounds more like band 5, 7, or 9. And don't forget to subscribe for more IELTS speaking hacks.
Thank you. Please like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.